So guys, maglalaro tayo ng grow a garden. Let's go. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Let's do it. Wait guys. Okay. So my garden here is now, I'm very poor. Look, I'm only 13 billion now, but I think my golden mid is glitching because it's 132 billion, not billion. It's shock. I don't know why. Let me take a screenshot. Okay. Let me thank you. As you can see, this is my little brother. We're the same tablet. I'm actually this. You can see the mouse. I'm on cell phone, but I connect it with the laptop. It's pretty annoying, but I'll take it. Oh, what spring! But I already got one. So let's see the gear shop, guys. So pretty. Hello. This might be taking on planting or moving the seed. I'm not buying all these because I don't need it. I profit. Where should I put my mutation spray shop? I think I will use it somewhere. They got the Nakes big grape. As you can see, I'm just poor and I'm not so rich like my friend, but I have this pets. I have the crooked owl, orangutan, windy mole, and scarlet macaw. Cook owl, orangutan, windy mole, scarlet macaw, and golden love and secret. amateur. So we got it. I'm actually helping the people in the public sector. So this is my little brother is on top of me in laboratory. As you can see, I'm super cool. I have the giant python, burning badge, sugar apple, emerald, beanstalk, and all this in the shop. Super shop. All merchant. They call it. This is my cosmetic. Yeah, my cosmetic. So this is my seed. I put mangoes, banana, cauliflowers, pear, amber lily, coconut, avocado, nectar, shade, and then flare green apples, and then rocks, watermelon, beanstalk, corn, pepper. As you can see, is have beanstalk seed and so we have 2 beanstalk seed and 6 amber lily. Lavender, sugar apple, 5 sugar apple, and tomato, nectarine, banana, bamboo, strawberry, dragon, wild carrot, blueberry, cantaloupe, and rafflesia, cacao, celestial berry, orange tulip, cactus, apple, prickly pears, loquat, mushroom, pineapple, carrot, pumpkin, grape, kiwi, daffodil. So this is Sophie, as we call him. He is my friend and he is only 5, 6, 7 I think. And this is, I have actually giant python, but I already put in my garden. So you can see someone hacked into my account and he said he's gonna give me candy blossom, but he is just collect the burning blood or the big one, so I have to sprinkle my food again. So I got it now. I'm so worried about my account. As you can see, I needed some fruit to get to the top. My goal is to get into quadrillion, but I'm not begging for it. I'm just working hard to get it. So this is my habit. Okay, So this is my gear item. You can read it. This is my phone. So this is my pet. So I have very not good input, and I gave my butterfly that made me so dumb because the rainbow. What do you think? I tried my game glitch. Oh, it's glitch. So this is the game. We can't continue now. So don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.